Hi everyone, it's back to school time. Crystal, Nick and I are going to go into Woolworths and grab the ultimate school lunches. Come with us, let's go. Okay, we just had our shop and we reckon we've come up with some absolutely great things for lunches. Crystal, what did you get?
I've got some of the macro brand bought from Woolworths. So we've got some pumpkin kernels, sunflower kernels, goji berries. The great thing about Woolworths is they really do have a great variety of things for everybody and those little snackers in your house. So we've got the chocolate chip cookies, we've also got the cheeses, milks, yogurts, down here. Lots of stuff for everybody. Super healthy, but not compromising on taste.
What about you, Nickers?
Okay, well I got mainly stuff for making lunch, so I decided, my kids love wraps, so picked up some whole grain wraps for the kids, and just to put on those, just some great mayo, and my kids love tuna, so I grabbed some tuna. You can actually get lots of different flavours of tuna, so that one's tomato and basil, and there's corn and mayonnaise, all sorts of different ones. Also, there's some fruit and veggies there too, some stuff to put on wraps, but also you can pick up these great packs of chicken and ham, just already sliced. They go great on wraps as well. And also just a bit of something different for the kids. They take water bottles to school every day anyway, but just for a little bit of something different, just some juices. These are really great healthy juices. And you can also get some really good cold meats at the deli as well, so just some honey ham, that sort of stuff.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I had the easy one and I got celery sticks and carrot sticks. Yep, some grapes.
Yep.
I just cut them up and the boys actually do eat them, believe it or not.
Yep.
Nate particularly loves celery.
Yeah.
So it's great to have that in there because it's really super healthy. It's really easy to put together. And I also got some grapes and some bananas.
On a side note, these containers are super good to wash them in because they do have the holes to water the rinse out at the bottom.
Yep.
And you can also refill them if you're getting grapes for a later date.
Jodie actually uses these for potting seedlings.
Oh, awesome.
Because they drain, a bit of potting mix, a few seedlings in there, so keep using those. And then also got some apples, some mandarins, and I think we've nailed it. What do you reckon?
The kids are going to be happy.
Too.
Yep.
Yeah.